Ever crave cheesecake but dread the prep? This simple 3-ingredient recipe delivers rich, creamy cheesecake flavor in minutes, no oven, no crust, just pure indulgence for busy evenings and instant dessert lovers. Start with a smooth blend of cream cheese, a sweetener like honey or maple syrup, and a splash of lemon juice or vanilla. Whisk until silky, then fold in beaten eggs one at a time. The eggs bind the mixture, giving that dense, custard-like texture that mimics traditional cheesecake without the need for a crust or heavy cream. This simple mixture can be poured directly into a lined pan and set in the fridge for 30 minutes to firm up. The secret lies in the tang of cream cheese and the natural sugars from honey or maple, which caramelize slightly during chilling. Adding a teaspoon of vanilla or a squeeze of lemon brightens the profile, while a pinch of salt balances sweetness. These flavors mirror the classic New York-style cheesecake, so you get that indulgent taste without the heavy dairy or baking time. If you're short on time, simply spoon the mixture into a glass dish and refrigerate for 20 minutes. The eggs will set without heat. For a firmer bite, pop it in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 15 minutes, then cool. Either method yields a creamy center with a slightly crisp edge, exactly what you'd expect from a traditional cheesecake. No crust needed, so you save both time and cleanup. Elevate the base by swirling fresh berries, a drizzle of dark chocolate, or a spoonful of peanut butter into the top layer before chilling. For a tropical twist, fold in a handful of shredded coconut or a splash of coconut milk. If you love a caramel kick, mix in a spoonful of caramel sauce during the initial whisk. These add-ins keep the recipe simple while delivering endless taste possibilities. Swap cream cheese for Greek yogurt to cut fat while maintaining creaminess. Replace honey with a small amount of stevia or monk fruit for lower calories. Portion into individual silicone molds so you can enjoy a single serving without overindulging. By adjusting the sweetener and using a single serving mold, you keep the dessert guilt-free and still satisfy that craving for a rich, cheesecake-like treat. Try this 3-ingredient cheesecake today and taste the classic flavor with zero hassle. Like, comment your favorite topping, and subscribe for more quick dessert hacks.